Bengingazi ukuthi ukwazi ukumithisa wena. Uneshoyo kangakanani ukuthi ingane yakho
Lesi engathi siyakhukhumala.
Hayi iya e-bathroom.
Zizokhala.
Ezinye iy'ngane kuthiwe bazozikhathela ama-allowance because asifuna ukumitha, which is Umpilo. And Usne is out here getting pregnant like nobody's business. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Usne noLwandle. So uLwandle recently revealed ukubabakhe ukuthi umithisile ngapha. Usne just told uMacele futhi akatshelanga uye ne-pregnancy test kuMacele wamkhombisa ukuthi umithi. So kahle kahle khona omithi khona omithisile ngonyaka we-1, and I think it was last year because Usne uthola umntwana last year bekaloku abhizi efihla ethi akekho pregnant ama-fans uma embuza. And then when it comes to uLwandle uthe makhuluma nobabakhe amtshela ukuthi yena umithisile, ubabakhe was like bekangazi yena ukuthi uLwandle uyakwazi ukumithisa, which is understandable because bambuza uLwandle ukuthi kanti awukho ready uzi-introduce kwi-girlfriend yakho or whatever. uLwandle wathi isikhathi asikafiki. So it might be a shock kumusa ukuthi how already uyajola kanti. And then abanye abantu bayithathe as if unyatha uLwandle, but uMpumelelo zangambuza ukuthi how mina bengazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukumithisa. And it's not just only uMusa othe beyangazi ukuthi uLwandle akwazi ukumithisa. uMusa noMacele bathi mabahlangana bakhuluma indaba yokuthi uLwandle kuthiwa there's an expected baby coming. uMacele wathi angayiphiki ingane yakhona and angayivumi asimeleni i-DNA. So uMacele uyakwazi ukukhulumela uMakhwela ukuthi bangayenzi i-DNA kubantwana bakaMakhwela, but kowakhe umntwana omithisa omunye umuntu ofuna i-DNA. Njani? Maybe there's something ngoLwandle esingayazi thina as ama-fans, but abazali bakhe bayayazi and abasichazeli yona kahle. And then when it comes to Usne guys, last year bekatshelwa noKagiso i-relationship yabo beyi-popular, and uKagiso revealed that Usne wele waprega for omunye umuntu allegedly while they were still in a relationship. So Usne lengane apreg yona asiyingane kaKagiso, makasho uKagiso. So ubaba wengane kaSne asimazi and angiboni ukuthi somazi. And uKagiso revealed ukuthi Usne bekafuna ukumthwalisa ibhanti. So kuningi nje kwaSne, kuningi cause ngenkathi atrenda last year Usne bekakhala ayenza ama-voice notes atshela uKagiso ukuthi uyaxolisa nje, bekukuningi kaSne. And it's amazing ukuthi uSne ulobhizi ufakaza indaba zakababa bakhe while ezakhe zemhlula. It's very amazing. Then guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.